Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open the interior cover by unscrewing or sliding it off so you can reach the battery pack. You'll do this to avoid forcing terminals and to preserve the plastic clips. Once the cover is removed, note battery orientation and wiring. This tells you how to reinstall correctly. Remove the old batteries one at a time to avoid jostling contacts, and wipe the compartment with a dry cloth to remove corrosion or dust before inserting replacements. Now place fresh alkaline AA cells in the compartment, matching polarity marks exactly. This ensures correct voltage flow and avoids shorting. Push the pack firmly until you feel the terminals engage. A poor contact causes intermittent power loss. Reattach the interior cover and tighten screws just until snug so the mechanism isn't warped. Once mechanically secure, manually rotate the thumb turn to confirm the motor is unobstructed. If you hear grinding, stop and reseat the pack to prevent motor strain. Finish by testing the lock with the app and a manual turn. You want to confirm both electronic and mechanical movement. Then run the August calibration or motor test so the firmware learns the new battery-driven torque profile and avoids false jams. If the lock doesn't power on, recheck contacts and look for corrosion. A cotton swab with isopropyl can clean terminals. One key troubleshooting tip: swap a single known good battery to rule out a batch of dead cells before deeper disassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.